Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
There are students of 7th B and 7th C here in the class. It's good to see 7th B students after a long time in my class. 7th B, anyone from 7th B here in the class?
Sir, minute hand, overhand.
Just wait, just wait.
Sir, minute hand, overhand.
This is not your question. This is not, this is not your question. Okay. Let me give you the question.
Sir, we will do clocks or coding and decoding.
We'll do clocks today.
Okay,
7th
sir.
B. How many students of 7th B have joined? I can see Raj Nandini here in the class of 7th B. Who else is there?
Asi और वो अमोल किसी को नहीं बता
There is you. There are the others, not others. You have to join this class only. Where are they?
I don't know, sir. मेरे तो कॉपी नहीं लाई.
I'm waiting for 7th B students to join the class. Still from both the sections combined. We are combining the two sections and there are only 8 students.
Sir, today we will do reasoning.
Yes, we will do revision of reasoning today. Because tomorrow you
Okay,
have
sir.
your reasoning test.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please tell the question.
Yes. Just giving the question. I'm waiting for 7B students. 7B students have not joined. Only one student has joined from 7B. Okay, we are starting now. I don't think that more students are going to join. This is something very strange. We are having two sections here and only 9 students are there in the meeting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question is, suppose you started from your home at 7:15 a.m. You started from your home at 7:15 a.m. and you are going to your school. You are going to your school and you reached your school at 8:25 a.m. Okay, you reached the school at 8:25 a.m. Can you tell me in this much time what is the angle covered by the minute hand of the clock? You have to find the angle. Find the angle covered by the minute hand in this time. जब आप अपने घर से स्कूल तक पहुंचे इतने टाइम में मिनट हैंड ने कितना एंगल कवर किया ये आपको निकालना है. Do you all know how to do this?
Without any degree.
You have to find your answer in degrees. Obviously. Angle covered by the minute hand. Find the degrees. Are you all doing it?
Yes, sir. Sir, 420 degrees is the answer.
Sorry, beta.
Sir, 420 degrees.
Okay, I have noted your answer. We will just check whether the answer is right or not. Okay, very good for your answer, for your effort. We will just check your answer.
Sir, I have sent the answer.
Okay. Kinetic Garg has also given the answer.
Sir, the answer is 112.5.
112.5. No, beta, 112.5 is not correct.
Sir, the correct answer is 420 degrees. Sir, 420 degrees correct or not?
Okay, I am telling the answer. 420 degrees is the correct answer. Very good, all of you, those who have found the answer, 420 degrees. So how you do this? 825 और 715 इन दोनों टाइम में डिफरेंस कितना है? What is the difference? The difference is of 1 hour 10 minutes. Do you all know how to find the difference?
Yes, sir.
25 और 7, the difference is 1 hour 10 minutes. 1 hour 10 minutes को अगर आप minutes में convert करेंगे, you get 70 minutes. Am I right? 70 minutes हो जाएंगे अगर आप इसको minutes में convert करेंगे. So 70 minutes में what is the angle covered by the minute hand in 70 minutes?
420.
Yes. Angle covered in 70 minutes by the minute hand is equal to multiplied by 6. Just have to multiply it by 6. So answer is 420 degrees. 420 degrees is the answer. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to change the question now. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you all tell me that in one day, in one whole day, the hour hand goes past through the number 5 in the clock how many times? Hour hand number 5 से कितनी बार पास होता है in one day?
Sir, 2 times. Sir, 2 times. Sir, 2.
Passes through number 5 2 times. Yes, correct answer. Very good. The next question, all of you, ready?
Yes, sir.
Similar type of question. I'm not writing the whole question, I'm just explaining you what the question is. You have to give me the answer. So you started from your home at 6:50. 6:50. And the angle covered by the minute hand of the clock. 6:50 a.m. You started from your home at 6:50 a.m. and when you reached your school, the angle covered by the minute hand of the clock. This is given. Minute hand ने कितना angle cover करा जब आप अपने स्कूल पहुंचे? That is given 540 degrees. This is the angle covered by the minute hand of the clock. 540 degrees. Can you tell me at what time you reached your school? The angle covered by the minute hand is 540 degrees. Okay, you started at 6:50 and after 6:50 the minute hand covered an angle of 540 degrees. You tell me at what time you reached your school. Understood the question, everyone?
Sir, 7:40 p.m.
7:40 p.m. Just check. We'll just check the answer.
Correct, sir.
Beta, we will just check the answer. Just wait. Okay, you are. I think most of you are facing some problem in this one.
Sir, my answer is 7:40.
7:40.
7:40.
7:40 is not the right answer. It is not correct. So first of all, you have to find that this angle 540 degrees angle, इतना एंगल मिनट हैंड कितने टाइम में कवर करता है, यू हैव टू फाइंड दिस फर्स्ट. कितने टाइम में 540 डिग्री एंगल कवर होगा, मिनट हैंड कितने टाइम में कवर करता है. So we all know that 6 degree angle is covered in 1 minute. Minute hand 1 minute
Sir,
में 6 degree.
Sir, my answer is 7 o'clock.
No beta, not correct. We all know that 6 degree angle is covered in 1 minute by the minute hand. That means 1 degree angle कितने मिनट में कवर होगा, 1/6 minutes. Unitary method we are using. This is known as unitary method. You all have done this. 1 degree angle कितने मिनट में कवर होगा, 1/6 minutes. So 540 degree angle कितने मिनट्स में कवर होगा, 1/6 multiplied by 540 minutes. So if you divide 540 by 6, you get 90 minutes. Alright, 90 minutes. Now 90
Yes,
minutes,
sir.
when you convert 90 minutes in hours and minutes, you get 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. तो 650 में 1 hour 30 minutes जब आप ऐड करेंगे तो क्या टाइम आएगा, 650 में 1 hour 30 minutes ऐड कर देंगे, you get
Sir,
8:20.
8:20 a.m.
You reach your school at 8:20 a.m. This is the answer. You will reach the school at 8:20 a.m. Have you all understood now?
Yes, sir.
देखिए सिंपल सा लॉजिक है. आई एम टेलिंग यू अ वेरी सिंपल ट्रिक. अगर आपको मिनट्स को, मिनट हैंड की बात कर रहे हैं अभी हम, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मिनट हैंड. अगर आपको मिनट्स को डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करना है तो यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6. और अगर डिग्री से, यहाँ पर मैंने क्या करा है, डिग्री से मिनट्स में चेंज करा है। डिग्री से मिनट्स में चेंज करना है, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मिनट हैंड, लेट मी टेल यू, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज विद द आवर हैंड। अगर आप डिग्री से मिनट्स में चेंज कर रहे हैं तो आप 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 540 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 you get 90, so you 90 मिनट्स में आपका एंगल जो है, सॉरी 90 मिनट्स में कितना टाइम हुआ, 1 hour 30 minutes, so you add 1 hour 30 minutes in this,
820 कैसे आएगा? How 820 come?
sorry
Sir, how 820 come?
बेटा 650 मिनट्स में, 6 hour 50 मिनट्स में अगर आप 1 hour 30 मिनट्स ऐड करेंगे तो कितना होगा, ये ऐड करना आपको आता है,
Yes ma'am, sir आता है.
ठीक है, आपने सीखा है,
Over.
जाएगा आपका 20 minutes and 8 hours, 8 hours 20 minutes, this is equal to 8 hour 20 minutes, got it?
Yes sir.
It's 8:20 am.
Sir, I have do this question by the help of X.
हाँ, x वाले मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं आप, that is also a correct method.
Sir, I do X method.
If you want me to do it with that method, I can do it with that method also. कि मान लेते हैं कि
Sir,
no problem.
Sir, this like thoda.
Okay, you are finding this one a little difficult. You can do it with the method of x also. So let us assume that the boy reached the school in x minutes. x minutes में मान लिया कि स्कूल को में पहुंच रहा है boy. तो 1 मिनट में कितना एंगल कवर होता है? We all know the angle covered is 6 degrees. तो x minutes में कितना एंगल कवर होगा? 6x. Now the angle 6x angle is already given 540. So you put 6x equals to 500.
Divided by 6.
So you get 540 divided by 6. That means again 90 minutes.
90.
90 minutes को आप change कर लीजिए तो you get 1 hour 30 minutes. So both the methods are correct. That one was unitary method. This is with the help of an equation. This is a linear equation. तो देख लीजिए अलग अलग चैप्टर्स का यूज अलग अलग जगह पर आपका हो जाता है मैथ्स का यही तो फायदा है रीजनिंग में भी मैथ्स यूज हो रही है Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Fazil is sitting in the class. Fazil. Fazil is there or not? No. Fazil is in which section? Anyone? Do you know? Fazil is in which section?
No, sir.
No, beta.
Sir, Fazil is only in this section.
A section. Section A.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's do the next one. When you all find the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand when the time is 8:50. 8:50 on the clock. Find the angle between minute hand and hour hand. Find the angle. Next question. This is your next question. Find the angle between minute hand and hour hand when the time is 8:50 on the clock. When the time is 8:50. Okay. Start doing this. Do you all know how to do it? You are done.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 100 degree.
No, beta, 100 is not. Okay, for this question, you first find the angle covered by the minute hand in 50 minutes. Angle covered by minute hand in 50 minutes. First, you find this. Okay, I'm telling you what to do in the question. You have to do it on your own. 50 minutes में कितना एंगल कवर होगा, मिनट हैंड कितना एंगल कवर करेगा वो निकालिए पहले. उसके बाद एंगल कवर्ड बाय आवर हैंड इन 8 hour for 50 minutes. अब आवर हैंड के लिए यू विल टेक 8 hours 50 minutes. मिनट हैंड के लिए हमने केवल मिनट्स को कंसीडर करा है 50 minutes. बट इन केस ऑफ आवर हैंड्स आप आवर्स और मिनट्स दोनों को कंसीडर करेंगे. तो एंगल कवर्ड बाय आवर हैंड इन 8 hour 50 minutes ये निकालेंगे आप लोग क्या होगा. एंड फाइनली यू फाइंड द डिफरेंस ऑफ द टू एंगल्स. दोनों एंगल निकालने के बाद दोनों का डिफरेंस निकालें. This
Sir,
is
I
what.
have done.
Tell me the answer.
Sir, 265 degree.
बेटा ये आपने केवल मुझे ये वाला बताया है. आवर हैंड का एंगल बताया आपने केवल मेरे को.
Sir, minute hand का है 300 minutes
हाँ.
और hour hand का है 265.
300 degrees and 265 degrees. और फिर इनका लास्ट में दोनों का डिफरेंस निकालना है आपको. What is the difference?
Sir, 25. Sorry, 35.
Correct answer 35 degrees is the right answer.
Sir, 35 degrees the answer.
Correct answer 35. Okay, I'm doing it on the board. Angle covered by minute hand in 50 minutes. And minute hand के लिए how do you find the angle? You multiply 50 by 6. बस 6 से multiply करना होता है. So you get 300 degrees. Hour hand के केस में क्या करेंगे? पहले आप ये 8 hours 50 minutes को minutes में change कर लेंगे. 8 hour 50 minutes को minutes में change करके कितना मिलेगा? You get 8 into 64 480 plus 50, that means 530 minutes. 530 minutes हो गए. अब इसको आप एंगल में चेंज कैसे करेंगे? आवर हैंड की बात कर रहे हैं. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द आवर हैंड. आवर हैंड के केस में क्या करते हैं? यू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 1/2. 530 multiplied by 1/2. So this is equal to 265 degrees. Same type of question you are going to see in tomorrow's exam also. I am telling you, same type of question will be there in tomorrow's exam also. समझ लीजिए ध्यान से कैसे करना है. First you find the angle covered by the minute hand in whatever time it is given. अगर यहाँ पे 50 है तो 50 minutes लगा दीजिए, 40 है तो 40 लगा दीजिए, whatever, and multiply it by 6, you get the angle covered by the minute hand. Hour hand के लिए you take the whole time 8 hours 50 minutes, उसको पहले minutes में change करेंगे, then you find the angle by multiplying it by 1/2. ये निकाल लिया. फिर दोनों का difference निकाल लीजिए, आंसर आ जाएगा. तो difference is equal to 300 minus 265. So your answer is 35 degrees. 35 degree is the angle between the minute hand and hour hand. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Can you do another one? I'm going to change the time. One more question of the same type. मैंने बस यहाँ पर टाइम चेंज कर दिया. 5:10. 5:10. Find the angle between minute hand and hour hand when the time is 5:10. Find the angle.
Sir, 105 degree.